Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm super excited because today's vlog is all about Dubai, the city of luxury shopping, golden desert, and so much culture in between. Dubai has a vibe like no other. I'm going to take you along with me to experience the sights and food and adventures this city has to offer. So stay tuned with me.
Ensure you have all of your personal belongings with you, taking care when opening the overhead locker.
So
Smoking is
since
not
it was the
permitted
long
anywhere near
weekend
the
on
use of
Independence Day, हमने
electronic
डिसाइड किया
smoking
थोड़ा सा
devices.
ब्रेक लेते हैं। और क्योंकि हमने थोड़ा अहेड प्लान किया था तो हमने वीज़ा भी टाइम पर अप्लाई कर दिया था ताकि ट्रिप स्ट्रेस फ्री हो। हमारी जर्नी स्टार्ट हुई दिल्ली से ऑन 13 अगस्त नाइट। फ़्लाइट थोड़ी इंटरेस्टिंग थी क्योंकि डायरेक्ट दुबई की नहीं थी। हमको पहले दिल्ली से बहरीन बोर्ड करना था और वहाँ से कनेक्टिंग फ़्लाइट ली दुबई के लिए। So after weeks of planning and long flight, finally we landed in Dubai. Stay with me as I take you through 4 amazing days full of adventures and unforgettable memories. So after landing at Dubai International Airport, the excitement was unreal. We checked in into our hotel, Holiday Inn Express Jumeirah. The location was perfect and the view was amazing. So as per our itinerary, day 1 का प्लान था मरीना 2 क्रूज डिनर और बिलीव मी इट वाज सच अ मैजिकल इवनिंग। हम क्रूज पे चढ़ते ही अमेज्ड हो गए। अराउंड अस वर द ब्यूटीफुल दुबई मरीन लाइट्स, शाइनी स्काई स्क्रैपर्स एंड दैट कूल सी ब्रीज एक ड्रीमी वाइब थी। डिनर के लिए इंडियन बुफे भी था, बहुत ही डिलीशियस फूड और साथ ही लाइव परफॉर्मेंसेस ऑन डेक जिन्होंने पूरी इवनिंग को बहुत ही स्पेशल बना दिया था। धीरे धीरे क्रूज कॉर्नर से गुजरता गया और हम हर व्यू में खो गए। और हाँ, हमने वहाँ एक प्रोफेशनल कैमरा हायर किया था ताकि हमारे परफेक्ट फ़ोटोज़ भी क्लिक हो सकें। ओवरऑल डे 1 का एक्सपीरियंस था प्योर रिलैक्सेशन और एक्साइटमेंट का मिक्स। नाउ डे 2 was all about exploring the Burj Khalifa, but before that we had our breakfast. उसके बाद हम दुबई के लोकल मार्केट्स में निकल गए, वहाँ हमने थोड़ी सी शॉपिंग की। After that we got ready for Burj Khalifa and Dubai Mall. We had our shared transfers arranged and everything was smooth and well organized. So after Dubai Mall, we headed to Burj Khalifa and we went all the way up to 125th floor. Standing there and looking down at the breathtaking view of Dubai was absolutely unreal. We clicked so many pictures from different angles and every view felt mesmerizing and unique. And since it was 15 August, we got to witness our national flag on Burj Khalifa, such a proud moment. Unfortunately, we couldn't capture it on video, but the memory will stay with us forever. Okay, then came day 3, our ultimate adventure day. We started the morning with half-day Dubai city tour. The tour covered some of the most beautiful iconic spots such as Dubai Frame, Jumeirah Beach and some Sheikh's Palace. The architect, the views and overall vibe of the city were absolutely stunning. At Dubai Frame, we had such a special moment. We clicked pictures, video holding our Indian national flag, which was actually my husband's idea. It felt so special standing there representing our country in another land with that stunning skyline behind us. After that, we headed towards Jumeirah Beach. On the way, we saw Twin Towers and also passed by the Jumeirah Emirates Tower Hotel, where Sri Devi, the legendary Bollywood actress, sadly took her last breath. So, after the city tour, we returned to the hotel, got some rest, and then got ready for the evening's main adventure, the desert safari. Riding through the desert in 4x4 vehicle was such a thrilling experience. Now it's time for the Arabian night. The evening ended with the barbecue dinner under the open sky, along with the live belly dance and fire performances. Overall, it was perfect mix of culture, fun, and excitement. After such an amazing evening at the desert camp with the great food, music, and performances, we finally back to our hotel. It truly felt like an Arabian night straight out of the movie. We were extremely tired after such a long, fulfilled day. और फाइनली डे 4 हाफ डे हमने कुछ शॉपिंग की और काफ़ी फ़ोटोज़ भी क्लिक किए। शाम तक हमारा रिटर्न ट्रांसफ़र एयरपोर्ट के लिए था। लगे हाथ हमने एयरपोर्ट से आईफोन 16 प्रो भी ले लिया। ओवरऑल हमारा पूरा ट्रिप आइटनरी के अकॉर्डिंग गया, एकदम प्लान्ड, ऑर्गेनाइज और स्ट्रेस फ्री। Our return flight was on Boeing 777. It was a massive and elegant. The journey was super comfortable, the staff served us very well, and the hospitality made our flight back home smooth and pleasant. So overall, दुबई ने सच में दिल जीत लिया. Hope you enjoyed exploring Dubai with us. Thank you for watching.